Hello guys, today I have here my new bath shower mat. It's like this, okay? In the back side it says it's a rubber bath. The color I asked is the blue one. And in the front part it comes like that directions for use. It's the only thing it comes in the package. And I really like this one because with this I think you can prevent an accident in the shower. Also, for example, I have my grandfather and my grandmother in my house, so I will like it really much because I can put it there in the shower and I could be like well, good that it doesn't happen like an accident. I will be safe. And okay, I'm trying to open it. Here it's the directions for use. Okay, it's like a double side directions for use, and it says basically that you need to do a test check. It can be used normally after inspection. You can clean it by shower head or a machine washable after using. So it's basically that. So let's go to try it, okay? Okay guys, so I'm here in my restroom and I'm going to put it in that part, in this one. I have it here. So we're going to put it like this, and then we can paste. In the back part has like the silicone, so I'm going to paste it, and then I'm going to use it, okay? Okay guys, so I already turned on the shower, and there's my cousin who is going to try it. Okay, I think it's very good for grandparents and adults more than 40, 50. How you feel it?
Good.